Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making a dolphin. So we start off with a round shape in white. That will be his eye. After that we use light blue to start off with his nose and the rest of his body. I use the corner of my mouth as a focal point for the ending of the tail of the dolphin. I make its fins and color everything in with light blue. Then I will be using white to create his mouth and the rest of his body. The rest of his body of course will be white. I leave space open because there it's coming to be his tongue and the rest will be blacked out. Now I'm using white and I will be adding swirls, curls, teardrops and dots to give the illusion that the dolphin is in water. I will use pink to make a thumb and the rest will be blacked out, but you will see that in a moment. Okay, now I will be using black for the outline of his eye and make its pupil, as well as using black for the entire body outlining. Here we use black to fill in the rest of his mouth. Now we're going to make some sparkling in his eye by using white. And we'll make a smaller white dot above it, so it gives some, well, sparkle to his eye. We also use white for highlighting. Here's the end result. Thank you for watching. Yeah, no smiling, otherwise it looks weird. Bye, thank you.